Good. What's up, YouTube? What's up? Welcome to Boy Praise underscore dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know what I'm saying? So guys, today I'm back with another banger. I'm back with another blog. You know what I'm saying? If it's the first time, please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content. When subscribe. So guys, today I'm back with interesting news, man. That's what news dzinofadza, news dzinodakadza, news dzamama kamira dzamada kunzwa. But before I tell you this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Dango. So guys, we all know tine couples that now Kimi Tanaka, Kimi Lloyd, D and Lolo, what I'm saying. So finally D and Lolo was engaged. Lolo D engaged Lolo, or Lolo engaged D. They what I know is them, between them, one of them engaged each other. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, don't you hear pamana? D and Lolo were engaged. And I'm gonna watch a video. Go to the YouTube channel and watch the full video. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you short clip. Raves I took up engagement. Machema, Tumso Squarudo, Machichi. You know what I'm saying? You are one quiz and I'm you are engaged. You are with us. You are the moon. So, what is? How's it? What is it? Sawa mwari murudo isi Zimbabwe. Zvakaoma. Mwari murudo isi Zimbabwe, but yeah man. Let me show you the video. You know what I'm saying?
Guys,
it's boring when she does.
you ready? Yes.
3.
I'm not beside. What you see?
The neon.
Okay,
I know, I didn't know what you said. What I can say is I'm ready to take you. I'm ready to listen to you.
I beg guys, thank you for watching my video to the end. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, thumbs up, subscribe, subscribe for more and more content, for more and more blogs. You know what I'm saying? I do Makua for a living. Please watch it to the end. Skip mama, skip my ads. You find it there. I'm going to say please go watch all the ads, man. Watch the ads, man. To the end. I beg guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like for more content. You know what I'm saying? I love you guys. Let me kiss you.